Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I will share with you three marketplaces or three NFT marketplaces that you can use to sell or to buy NFTs completely for free. So if you are interested, make sure to watch this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are interested, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content. So the first one, which is the most known NFT marketplace, is Opensea. So I'm using this extension right here, which is similar web extension. This extension actually helped me to know how much visitors are visiting each platform or website in the internet per month. So as you can see right here, here is the visits over time in this in a couple of months, in 6 months. So as you can see, we start with 60 million visit per month up to 121 million visit per month, which is really good. So you can sell your NFT, just like easy, because there are a lot of people are browsing and are visiting OpenSea NFT marketplace every month. So as you can see, just the last month, which is the February 2022, we have right there 1 million no, I'm sorry, 100 million visits per month. Imagine, hundreds of millions of people worldwide are using OpenSea to sell, to buy NFTs, or to flip them as you like or as you want. So as you can see right now, we know that this is the most ranked NFT marketplace over the world, and as you can see, the country rank, it's ranked on the United States, which is the first one. And as you can see, just we need to scroll down a little bit. So right here, as you can see, we have 23% of those people, so 23 million visitors from United States are visiting this website. So all the time, make sure to use the platforms that are some tier 1 countries are ranked the first on the platform, something like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. So as you can see, this is the most biggest countries when it comes to finance and money, and you need to go with this kind of platforms and avoid platforms where you see just some some countries like India, Bangladesh, something like Nigeria, some African countries. It's not, we are not talking bad about these countries, but people are not able to spend a lot of money to buy some NFTs. Maybe just people from India are interested in selling NFTs, but not to buy NFTs, right? Because they want to make money, because the economic issues right there and all of this stuff. But with the United States, there are a lot of people actually just finding out about NFTs and what is NFTs, and they just try to buy and sell NFTs. So you will make more money with United States visitors than Indian visitors. This is a normal thing in the internet. This is what's happened over anywhere in the internet, right? And that's why actually people that are selling product are targeting United States than targeting, or preferring to target United States than targeting India. So if you are making NFTs, make sure to create some NFTs that are are more interesting for these people that are ready to pay a lot of money and actually to buy NFT. So as you can see right here, this is OpenSea. You can connect your wallet by clicking on this wallet sign or button right here to connect your wallet and to start buy or selling your wallets or your NFTs right here on OpenSea. So it's really simple, and it's one of the most, or the biggest, it's just like when we are talking about Amazon, right? So if we are talking about Amazon when it comes to shopping online, we are talking about OpenSea to buy and sell NFTs online as well. So this is the first marketplace. You can just go to it and browse the NFTs to have an idea about what is going on right there, what kind of NFTs. So this way you have more ideas about what NFTs you have to create, and more ideas to see what is most selling right there and all of this stuff. So the second platform is Rarible.com. Rarible.com is another NFT marketplace where you can buy, sell, flip, do some arbitrage NFTs, some arbitraging as well. You can do that by getting, for example, some NFTs from Rarible and sell them or resell them on OpenSea. You know, there are a lot of people are actually doing this, and it's called arbitrage. So when we use the same extension, which is the similar web extension, we find out that 4.8 million of people are actually using this platform the last month. It's good. It's not that high like OpenSea with 100 million visits, but it's still pretty good because the competition will be less right there on Rarible, and it's an alternative. If you can't use, or if you don't like to go with OpenSea, go with Rarible with no problems. And as well, you can connect your wallet and you are ready to start selling your NFTs or buying NFTs right here. And as I said all the time, the top countries are United States, India, Russia, Turkey, and United Kingdom. So it's good as well for you, and you will see some good results right there. What I like about it, it looks pretty good when it comes to designing. And as you can see right here, we have the top collections in 7 days. So as you can see, Words of Women Galaxy NFT projects made $61 million in the last 7 days, which is a lot of money. And as you can see, we have some biggest projects right here on this platform are using this platform, which is Rarible NFT marketplace, to sell their projects and NFTs, which is a good one. And the last NFT marketplace on our list for today's video is EngineX.io. EngineX.io is another NFT marketplace, just a similar one to Rarible and to OpenSea. So it's an Ethereum blockchain like OpenSea and the others. So you can sell and buy NFTs. But what I like about this platform is you can get some great NFTs for a lower price. So you can resell the same NFTs right here on Rarible. Why? Because as you can see right here, when we are using the similar web extension, we know that only 400,000 people are visiting this website the last month, and you know the all-time high I think right here is something like 679,000 visits per month, which is not that much, right? That's why I think the competition right here will be really low. And as well, when we are talking about the floor price or the average you know value of a product or of an NFT right here on this platform will be pretty low, because as you can see, the tier 1 countries right here are not the highest one. So as you can see right here, the first platform, or the first country in this platform is Russia, then Mexico, then we can see United States, but we have Brazil and Indonesia, which is good for us if we want to buy NFTs. So if you want to buy, go right here and find some good NFTs that you can resell. So do arbitrage, buy low right here and sell high on these platforms right here, because people that are interested in buying NFTs will not go to EngineX.io because it's not a known platform, but they will go to Rarible or to OpenSea. That's what's make the price really high right there, because there are a lot of people ready to buy NFTs. But on this platform right here, there are fewer people are interested in buying, and there are a lot of people interested in selling their NFTs. So as you can see right here, you can browse all of the projects and the NFTs, and if you get some interesting NFT, just go and buy it and go and resell it, as you can see. And you can do this business model, which is arbitraging the NFTs. And actually this platform has its coin or token, which worth right now $1.7, which is good. And I think you can use this one to buy through this platform. So that was everything for today's video, guys. See you on the next video.